But I can have some. I just had a few. Can I have some more?
No.
Come on, man. You gotta share. How about?
There's a lot in here.
Can you share?
There's too much in there.
Yeah, I know there's a lot, so it's not just for you. How about me eat some too? Okay? Can I have some? Yeah,
No.
let me have some.
No.
Come on, man. Where you going? Hey, where you going? Ethan, where are you going? Watch where you're going. Come on, let me in. What? Hey, can I have some? What are you hiding with the chips? Can I have some?
No.
Come on, man.
No.
Okay, I'm not gonna buy you no more chips.
Can't buy my chips.
Who's gonna buy you chips?
My chips.
Huh? Now I can have some?
No. These chips. There are. Eat the chips. Share some. Oh, my hands.
Now why you don't want to share with Dad?
Dirty.
How come you don't want
My
to?
hands are dirty.
Huh?
My hands are dirty.
Well, because you're eating chips. Why you come sit over here, all the way over here?
Oh.
So you don't give me chips?
Yeah, I can give.
Okay, give me some chips.
In the here.
Yeah. Come, let's go back and sit over there. Come on.
Now let's go back.